What you doing? Here, look, you're going to eat real food. Here, here's some carrots. How's that? Did you like that, huh? Okay, here, let's give you some rice with gravy. Here we go. Boom. How's that? Is that good? Yum yum? Did you like that? Okay, here, look what we got now. We got a piece. Look, Jack, meatball. Yeah, it's a little meatball for you. How was that? Is that good? Yum yum. Good. Did you like that? Huh?
Not in front of a computer?
Jack.
I can view the
Jack.
from any web-enabled device.
Do you like your meatball? Huh? Yes. 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 You like the meatball. Here's some more carrots.
All you have to remember is
Open up. There you go.
shield your home, see your home.
Jack likes food, don't you, Jack?
I like news on the radio. My world moves fast. And I don't have time to wait 22 minutes.
Here's some more rice.
Here's the story. Here's a commercial. Here's
Jack.
the weather. Here's another commercial. It takes too
Want some rice?
Give me the news. FM News.
No, hold on, stop. Hi, Jack. Grandma made something special for you today. Yeah. This is your grilled cheese. Yeah, this is the first time having grilled cheese. You want it? Jack? Here we go. Yummy. What do you think? Do you like it? Jack, look at Grandma. Is that good? Jack, up here. Hi. Is that good? Look at Grandma. Did you like that? Would you like some more? Hey, you want some more? Boom. How is that? Jack. Did you like that, huh? Want a little more? Jack? Jack? Jack, look. Jack? Jack? Want some more? Want some more? Okay. You're making a face, but you seem to like it. Yum yum, huh? There you go. Okay, that's it for now. Boom.